Nigerian song.
Mi ojú ẹlẹ́gbà o, mi ojú ẹlẹ́gbà o, mi ò sáré.
Come on, I hear you. Wow, listen, I don't know the words. And I'm Yoruba and I don't know the words. I'm Igbo and Yoruba and I don't know the words. Who is the current president of Nigeria?
Tinubu.
Hey, Roberto. My work is done. A round of applause for my good ladies and gentlemen. Wow. Wow. This is impressive. He is for us. He is one of us. And we need to give him a Yoruba name. Oh, he has one. What is your Yoruba name?
Oluwakorede.
What can you say it?
Oluwakorede.
Round of applause for him, John. Korede, we love you. Everybody say we love you.
Part of yes.
You're Nigerian. Okay. So we really want to know, how Nigerian are you? So Key, I have one question for you. Can you speak Yoruba?
Ẹ káàsán.
Hold on. I think my ears are deceiving me tonight. A Korean man is speaking Yoruba. Let's try it again.
Ẹ káàárẹ̀ o.
Hey! A round of applause for him, ladies and gentlemen. Wow. So you can speak Yoruba. And I have another question for you, Key. And this is a trick question, so you better get it. Which is better, Nigerian jollof or Ghanaian jollof? Who said that? We need to know if it's for us or against us.
Naija jollof.
Oh, a round of applause for him. He did not even say Nigerian, he said Naija. He is for us. Okay, Shubomi, how do you say hello in Korean?
안녕하세요.
You were correct, sir. You were correct, sir. Brilliant. Okay, Shubomi, who is your favorite Korean artist?
BTS or Bangtan Sonyeonda.
Hey, Shubomi Tilo. Okay, Shubomi, do you know how to Gangnam style? DJ. Does she even know how to Gangnam style? Come on, come forward. Hey! Hey!
Open Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style.
Groomsmen, you can hang out. I just heard that they are cousins. They are cousins. So the first person that caught the cheating game, come forward. Your girlfriend is here. Where is she? Come and collect your man. Come and collect him. Carry your property. Oh yeah, take him away. No. Come back. Now look at this man. Oh no, you can go. You have a girlfriend. Be going. Now look at this man and tell me which one I should pick for you. Ladies and gentlemen, can you help her? Which one will fit her? Because she's a queen and she gets to choose. Which one? The guy in the middle. Yes, the guy in the middle. Tosin, where are you from?
London.
London. Dan, have you ever had Nigerian jollof?
I love Nigerian jollof.
Loves Nigerian jollof. What do you think of Dan, girl? He's cute. What do you think of Tosin?
I think she's pretty.
Ooh. How many kids would you like to have? Say that again.
3.
Dan, how many kids would you like to have? 3 on 3, ladies and gentlemen. Dan, move closer. DJ, slow, soft music.
In the perfect daylight.